Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain about the Muzz shop reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website, and you can see you can save up to 15% via shopping from this website. And it is an online shopping store based in the United States that deals with multiple and unique products including printers, retro gaming products, instant film cameras, headphones, scooters, vacuums and instant photo printers, etc. So this was the offering information. Talking about the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website. So this website or this company accepts online payment via Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard and cash on delivery. So this was the payment information. Now talking about the delivery information, let's visit the delivery information page to know more about the standard delivery time. And here they have mentioned that the item should arrive in 3 to 5 business days depending on your location and their inventory. And they're asking to allow 2 to 3 business days processing time after order placement. So this was the shipping information, guys, and they do not guarantee the exact delivery date. And you can contact the customer service team regarding the shipping questions as well. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And this time I'm going to discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, starting with the first factor, this site is using online https connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 16th of December 2020. That means this website is 1 day old and yes, is also registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge its authenticity. We need to discuss more factors to define the genuineness of this website. Guys, for that we need to check out the About Us page of this website so that we can get to know about the company's complete information. This is the About Us page. You can see they have provided the contact details at the top of the About Us web page. And the information given on this web page is very limited, guys. They have not provided the details or information regarding business owner name, business establishment year, brand connection info, and as well as offering. And yes, guys, the prices of the offerings are too cheap, and yes, which makes the site quite suspicious. Now let's check out the contact us page of this website to know more about the contact details. So these are the contact details, guys. They have provided company's official address, email address and phone number, which seems to be fake. When you'll check out the given address on Google Maps, you will find the address of unknown road, which is not a good sign. Apart from that, they have mentioned an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should also know that most of the scam websites use emails starting with online scam or support, customer care, etc. So be aware of this factor, guys. You need to explore the website before making any online purchase. Now, talking about the social media platforms or social media existence, this site has no social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Mail or Pinterest. They have mentioned the social media icons, but these accounts are misleading or you can say inactive. So this is the red high alert that define its fakeness. Now let's check out the return or refund policy of this website. So guys, the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product, and do not forget to comment about your experience and refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers or users. And guys, talking about the Muzz shop reviews, we have found no reviews, customer reviews about the site on the internet, but yes, we have found some information related to the fakeness of this website, and they claimed that this website is a scam or fake online store. Guys, another drawback of this website is that this website has used the content of other websites as they have provided fake images or duplicate content, which is a bad sign and one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website. Apart from that, guys, they are selling their products at an unrealistic cheap prices, and you should know that such type of cheap prices are mostly offered by scam websites. So these are the loopholes that define its fakeness. And in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be scam and this is a fake online store. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as this is a fake site. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We would love to hear your views on the feedback. And yes, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. And yes, thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.